Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on eGagasini from the 27th to the 31st of July 2026 on a Monday. Lwandle struggles with change and rejection at all at once. Malume Jacob and Gogo shows they have delusions of their own stardom. Rebecca makes plans to pick herself up on Tuesday. Qedu says he wants Phume not to take advantage of truth or dare. She will have him to answer to. Sihle points out to Phume that Lwandle is struggling. Gogo shows the end Malume rehearse for the big time on Wednesday. Qedu says he apologizes to Njabulo and he accepts it. Rebecca set up her store but is almost discouraged. Gogo Shozi and Malume Jacob perform for Phume, hoping for a recording deal on Thursday. Rebecca makes her first sale. Gogo Shozi and Malume Jacob are left with egg on their faces when Phume tells them that Umlilo will not be signing them. Phume learns about Lwandle being homeless and invite her right into their lounge dinner on Friday. The Truth or Dare trio has a good recording session. Gogo Shozi is over the moon after finding out that her son got a job. An unexpected visitor leaves the Shozi family shocked. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below.